Hi guys, it's Tiffany. Happy Friday. I traded in KLA today a couple times. This morning I noticed that it opened very weak and then it kept coming back and testing the VWAP and it never could even touch it. So right here on the 1 minute chart, it came down and tested this level, and then it came back up, and then it attempted two times with a little dip in between. And once it made a new low, which was also a new low on the 5 minute, I went short with a pretty tight stop loss above this moving average right here. My first partial was below this this level I have marked from the daily, and then I partialed pretty heavy right here. And the reason being is because on the 1 minute chart, this huge indecision candle right here with a lot of volume, I thought it might turn around. I thought it was going to test this again and be a double bottom and go back up. So I partialed pretty heavy there, and then I got stopped out at break even. And then later in the day, I came back to look at this stock again, and I noticed that it was putting in a bottom right here. And on the 1 minute, it was a triple bottom. And then it started making new highs. And let me just say, the volume wasn't huge down at the bottom. So that prompted me to take kind of quick profits because I was unsure of whether this was really going to be a runner or if it was just going to pull back a little bit and go back down. So once it started making new highs, and right here in this 1 minute chart, the 9 and the 20 cross and start curling up, and then you have the 200 that comes down. This is part of Peter's Mountain Pass strategy. I really love this confirmation. I went long, and I had a pretty tight stop loss below these moving averages. Like I said, I know I took my first profit kind of quickly. But it was at this 9 moving average right here on the 5. I took profits on the way up at certain moving averages and levels. The VWAP, I partialed majority of my position, and then I was actually, if you can see on the 15 minute, my next profit target was this moving average right here on the 15. But so when I took my partial at the VWAP, it came up, and then it came back down through the VWAP and then came back up again. So I took another partial here at this level, because it also earlier in the morning was also a resistance level. So anyhow, I took another profit here, and I barely had many shares left. And then when this big, huge bear candle happened on the 5 minute and the 1 minute, I went ahead and exited the rest of my position. Let's see. And then, of course, it did end up going back down through the VWAP. But overall, I'm very happy with these trades. I love having a great Friday because that means I'll have a great weekend. Anyhow, I hope you guys all have a great weekend and you also had a great Friday. And I'll see you guys Monday. Thank you for watching. Bye.